Hi again, everyone. CBS 19 Chief Meteorologist Brett Anthony here. Very mild today, but we are tracking some much colder air for the second half of the week. So here's what we're tracking over the next couple of days. That cold blast arrives Wednesday night, and it could include freezing rain for some of us here in East Texas. Nothing going on that's frozen tonight, just a little bit of rain. That storm that we're tracking is still well off the west coast up here in the Pacific Northwest. It's going to get some energy. It's going to dig into the southwestern part of the United States, tap into some Gulf moisture, bring down some cold air from Canada, and voila, here we'll go with that winter storm for parts of the central and southern plains. Lots of snow up to our north is forecast. For tomorrow, for us, it's mid-50s at 8 a.m. We could see a little drizzle through noon as temperatures warm to about 64. It'll be a cloudy afternoon with temperatures right around 65 degrees. Then Wednesday, already noticed some cooler air trying to push in from the northwest. We've got rain in the DFW, that pink that represents that salmon color. That's a little bit of a freezing rain sleet mix. So everything's good Wednesday evening. We make it to about 12:15, just after midnight. Now the temperature's down below freezing. Sulphur Springs, Emory, Canton, and even Athens. So there may start to be some ice accumulation in those areas. Tyler right now at 33 degrees Thursday, just after midnight. Longview's at 40. So what's going on here? Well, if the winds are out of the northeast, the Ouachita Mountains in Arkansas block some of the colder air from making it in to East Texas. But the winds are straight north across parts of the DFW and over southern parts of Oklahoma, nothing to block that air. That's why we think from Tyler back to the northwest up toward Mineola, Emory, and Sulphur Springs could see some ice accumulations, while deep East Texas just has a cold rain with temperatures in the mid and upper 30s. And then Thursday afternoon, finally some of the colder air filters in here to where we could have nuisance amounts of some ice. So let's break this down for you in the ice accumulation probabilities. Up to 1/10 of an inch, so 1/100 of an inch to 1/10 of an inch. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but any little amount on the road can cause things to be slick. And if you look here at Smith County, we have sort of a 5 to about a 10 to 20% chance to pick up 1/10 of an inch of ice, with higher chances and for greater amounts the farther west you go. So back toward Mount Pleasant, which is in that winter storm watch right now, has about a 20 to 30% chance. And that's high when you're talking about ice amounts. So keep an eye on that for you. Otherwise, winter storm watches are out right now from San Angelo, Dallas, Oklahoma City, up towards St. Louis. We have a winter storm warning there. We just have Hopkins County in our watch here. This might get expanded as we head through the evening hours. I'll let you know about that coming up, of course, tonight at 10 o'clock. The Arctic cold front here. What's likely? Rain Wednesday night and Thursday. Rain likely with temperatures falling into the 30s. But some of us, up to the west and to the northwest, could see freezing rain. What's possible? Some accumulation around 1/10 of an inch, up to 1/10 of an inch. The farther west and northwest you go, maybe 1/4 of an inch. But we know this is not going to be a repeat of last February. All right, tonight, mostly cloudy, damp and mild, down to 52 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. And the sun comes up tomorrow just after 7:15. All right, the Baylor Scott and White Texas Spine and Joint Hospital 7-day forecast. Overcast but mild tomorrow. Drizzle a little bit possible. Breezy at times at a high of 65. 68 Wednesday with rain likely late. And then temperatures falling Thursday. We wake up with a temperature around freezing, but the temperature continues to fall, so we could see some freezing rain across the area. It's gray and cold Friday, a slightly better Saturday, then Sunday up to 52, 56 near average on Monday with sunshine. All right.